that the perception appears to be fueled by a number of factors. And some of the factors appear to be the fact that a lot of people don't understand the way the law works. That is the simple truth. You see, law is very difficult. And people, sometimes they lose cases not because the judge is corrupt, but maybe because of bad lawyering, or because they did not understand the procedure. I remember when I was in practice, with Mr. Chairman's kind permission, if I can say this. When I was in practice, I was consulted by vessel owners outside the country who wanted me to arrest a vessel in Ghana based on a certain claim that they thought they had. When they brought the documentations, I advised them that this claim that you have can be pursued in England. But in Ghana, our laws will not allow you to go to court and pursue this particular claim based on the way you framed it. I didn't hear from them. I think after 2 weeks, they called me, they sent me a message that they've contacted a first-class maritime lawyer who has assured them that the claim can be pursued in Ghana. So I left the matter. After some time, I heard that that claim eventually ended up at the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court struck out the claim that it was incompetent because it could not be pursued in Ghana. I happened to meet one of the white men at an occasion somewhere, and then I asked, well, what happened to your case? And so don't mind your corrupt judges. The lawyer went and gave them money. And I was shocked. I was shocked because the claim was bad. And I was shocked that he could say that some lawyer went to give 5 Supreme Court judges bribe in order to do this. I was shocked. So there's always this idea that people don't understand why they lose cases. And beyond that, there's an industry that legs around the judiciary. People have made it their lifestyle, where they will come and say that, give me money, let me go to and give it to the judge. It is a reality. We can't dispute that. It is their lifestyle. It is their livelihood. So it makes this whole idea of tagging the judiciary being a corrupt institution very worrisome. I have been on the bench for 4 years, and I can say for a fact that the judges that I have come into contact with, in Cape Coast, I sat with them. In Accra, I sat with them. Presently, I'm sitting in Kumasi, I sat with them. They are some of the finest people I've ever met in my life. And I'm not saying this to make up for any judges. They are some of the finest, and what I've realized interacting with these judges is that they hold their reputation to heart. Their reputation means a lot to them. So sometimes I ask myself, so these are the people that people accuse of being corrupt. Having said that, I will not dispute the fact that there may be some bad nuts. There may be some bad nuts who may probably be ruining the reputation of the judiciary. How do we deal with these bad nuts? There are remedies that the judiciary is already pursuing vigorously.